Food freshness, vitamins and variety are the best recipe for healthy living. The fresher the food, the healthier the diet. A good reason to decide in favor of Biofresh from Liebherr. Because only food stored in a perfect climate will preserve its vitamins, minerals, freshness and taste. The Biofresh technology with individually adjustable temperature compartments provides extra long shelf life and freshness for your favorite foods. A longer-lasting freshness that has been scientifically proved. Laboratory food tests prove that the moisture loss of fruit and vegetables is significantly reduced with Biofresh. At ideal storage temperatures and perfect air humidity, delicious food flavors, aromas and healthy nutrients are preserved. Advanced electronics maintain constant temperatures and create the perfect climate for long-lasting freshness. The Premium Plus electronics also offers additional advice for the storage of many foodstuffs. By means of the Biofresh Plus technology, it is even possible to individually adjust the climate in the top compartment. This allows the temperature in the adjoining compartment to be kept constant, close to a healthy 0 degrees centigrade. From tropical heat to Arctic cold, Liebherr fridges and freezers have had their reliability tested under the most extreme conditions. In our state-of-the-art acoustic laboratory, any unwanted sound source is analyzed and eliminated. Quality components are rigorously tested and checked at the development stage to ensure lifelong durability. So Liebherr quality means more than lasting food freshness, it means enduring reliability too. Innovative ideas include the integrated LED lighting of the glass-lined shelves in the interior and inside the door. These innovations characterize the fridges and freezers from Liebherr. Attention to minute detail ensures top quality at every level. All Liebherr fridges and freezers are tested again after completion to ensure they function perfectly. Precision engineering, innovative ideas and advanced designs harmonize to give you appliances of the highest standards to meet the most demanding lifestyles. For example, the first-rate quality automatic ice maker gives you ice cubes for cool drinks on any occasion. With their innovative ideas, top quality and designs of timeless elegance, Liebherr fridges and freezers are the essential appliances for today's lifestyles. Design, quality and innovation.